Welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name's Ivolt and today's video is all about this vehicle, which is a Rover Vogue. And what we've done is protected the vehicle with a dash camera solution. But this is really exceptional in terms of the actual kit that it is, but also the way we've done our install. The dash cam that we've gone for is something that gives you front and rear protection, but also when the vehicle is parked. So you know when you've walked away from your vehicle, there's a little bit of peace of mind that you've, in essence, got CCTV on your vehicle protecting it at all times. The way the system works, you've got a front camera live, which is really nice and discreet. Sat in the driver's seat, you can't really tell it's there at all. It's all, obviously, as you can imagine, the install is all done incredibly well. The cables are all neatly hidden. The camera itself is basically the brain of the system at the front. That gives you 4K resolution in terms of image, which is exceptional and really important to actually picking up your registration number in case there was an incident that you wanted to record. These systems are designed to sit there, do their job, and leave you with a little bit of peace of mind that you know your vehicle is protected not only while driving, but also when parked. What you've got is a really nice coverage, really good clear image across the whole of the vehicle at the front. Then we've got a physical cable run that runs all the way from front all the way to the back, which gives you, again, more coverage in case you're involved in obviously a rear collision or you just wanted that extra peace of mind in terms of protection. But more importantly than all of that, not only is it protected while the vehicle is driving, also you've got the ability for it to record when the vehicle is parked. But the main thing is with this sort of solution is obviously you don't want your battery draining. So what we've added in is something called a Thinkware Ivolt battery. What that means is about 45 minutes of driving gives you about 16 hours of recording on the other side, which is really impressive. What it means is you can drive down to the local shops, park up your car, get out, do your shopping and pop back, and you know that that area that you've been parked in that shopping centre is all protected. So in case you did get a little dink from someone else that's bumped into your vehicle, obviously these vehicles are incredibly large and also difficult to park. You might be going over the space slightly. If someone dinks your front bumper, for instance, you know that it's got motion detection, it's picked up on that, and it's all accessed via a cool little app. If you want to see how the app works, make sure you go check out another video of ours, where that is in the description below, and we'll pop it up here as well. But thank you again so much for watching. If you want to get booked in for something like this, you know exactly what to do. All of our contact details is in the description below. Our website's also there as well. You can check out some of the dash cams. But the main thing is that you now know how it looks on this vehicle. We've also got loads of other videos on our channel, so make sure you smash that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one. See you later.